Hi, I'm Artificial Fire Tiger, and I've been producing electronic music for many years now, and I want to share some tips and tricks with you. There comes a time when you have a dreaded moment that you've deleted your project files. I'll show you how this works as an example, but there's a way to get it back, so don't worry. So, for example, you have a project and you've been working on your latest chill out album sound or whatever you're doing, and you delete some instruments and you change some bits and things like that, and you accidentally save this project and go, damn it, I really wanted to keep that other. And you come back to it and you go, oh right, I'm closing Ableton, and open it back and you go, oh, now I've lost all my stuff. So luckily, inside of the current project section, which is here, you can see there's a backup. Now every time you make a change and you save your project, it creates a new time-stamped backup. Really useful, because now I can go back to, oh, this is my first version where I had all my different instruments here, and then I can go back to my second edition, which was here, and so on. So you can always go at least back until your projects, and that's how you can recover your Ableton files. Hope you find that useful. Please subscribe, and I'll continue to make videos about using Ableton and music production. And don't forget to drop some comments if you have time.